Oh, that is powerful. I've not looked at it that way.
Yeah.
Right. Now, let me tell you, Ivan,
I'm very curious.
I think you are a magician. That is the best way I can describe this. Because what I did yesterday, I did exactly like you told me. I put together a list of the good things the team has done since January. And this was not only important to the team, but to me as well, because I ended up with a list of 30 good things that the team has done.
Wow.
So it opened up my perspective in a totally different way, because most of the times I only focus on one thing that they have not done, right? Which is not hitting their revenue target. And what is amazing, we spent a whole 1 hour just going through that list. And what this did to the team, it just made them very vulnerable. So they opened up and, shared, and the rest of the meeting was very productive. And the highlight of this for me was now the team has actually set its own rules, right? What they must do to be able to hit their targets. And they have actually also, they went ahead and shared with me what they feel we should stop doing as a company, right? Some things that I keep on pushing, and these things are not helpful to them. They are stressing them, like reporting to work on Saturdays. So they told me they would rather we embrace a culture of performance, not a culture of attendance. And we agreed. So we are piloting in the month of April, all right, this change. And we almost like even became friends. The meeting, people were laughing, they were happy. People were cracking jokes, not even caring if I'm there or not, right? And that was very powerful to me. So I want to appreciate you right from the onset with this, Ivan. Whatever you shared with me yesterday, very profound, implemented immediately, and I have positive vibes about it, which I love so much.
You made my day.
Thank you so much, man. I do appreciate.
Yeah.